everyone, welcome back. Today we are driving down to the southeastern, central, whatever you want to call, near Everglades National Park. And I just drove into the Cypress National Preserve area, and I will be staying here for a few days to volunteer for my second year for the 2025 Florida Trail Thru Hiker Kickoff. I am not through hiking the Florida Trail, but I do like to come down. I came down last year for the first year and helped feed the hikers and shuttle them to trail and whatever else that they may need to kind of get them on trail. It's going to be absolutely beautiful weather for the thru hikers to start. It's 63 right now, and I think in the middle 40s at night, which isn't bad once you get in your tent. And it's going to be dry, so no complaints there. I will be helping with breakfast in the morning, helping with dinner in the evening, and then during the middle of the day, I will have some time to go do some hikes and take you with me and kind of show you a little bit of what the Big Cypress area and Everglades area, lots of gators as you know, has to offer. It's a very, very, very cool experience to come down here if you have never been. Don't let fear stop you. It's kind of wild and it's kind of raw and it makes it exciting.
Basically means it's ready.
It's 5 a.m. and it's time to feed the hikers.
Potato buns that look really nice. You could do egg and bacon. Since you like bacon, I'll show you the buns. Where are they?
It should be ending General Rifle.
Oh, no, like, if I'm gonna do one, I'm gonna do your croissant.
Well, after that,
No, but you know, those are very filling.
they're still open.
But there's no hunting. Poor fish.
I'm here at the Oasis Visitor Center, which is the start of the Florida Trail. I'm down here at the Kickoff volunteering to feed the hikers that are starting. Many started last week actually, but we're catching the ones that are starting this week. And this is actually the start of the Florida Trail here. If you come to the Kickoff at Trail Lakes Campground, we will shuttle you here to the Oasis Visitor Center, and then this is where you'll start the trail. That's what your blaze looks like. And you walk down that way and then into the swamp, for I believe is your first 30 miles are going to be in the swamp. And water levels will be determined by the rains. I hope you can hear me all right. So down there is the visitor center, and then you walk down this path, and then when you get to the end of this path, you turn right. There's a helicopter that just landed here, so I'm hoping that you can hear me all right. And then you walk straight down that way to start the Florida Trail. I believe your first 30 miles, you're going to be swamp walking depending on the water levels. But here is your mileage point. Yes, so to get to I-75 is 28.1 miles from here.
Exactly.
I have to wait till tomorrow to get
Oh,
a picture.
excuse me. I mean, you're waiting.
No,
What are you
I'm
trying to do? Get in my way?
no.
I'm sorry. Is that bothering you?
Not at
Is that
all.
bothering you? So I'm trying to create a rest stop for hikers. And if I post where I'm at, I'll get a bunch of people come in, and it just changes everything. They're asking a bunch of questions to the hikers. I don't really get to kind of, do my setup. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So what I do is I get them in, and he'll tell you, they know I got my little spiel, and I kind of keep everybody talking and positive. It's got to be a place to lift them
Don't
up.
talk politics. Don't talk. What was the other one?
Well, you can talk about whatever you want. It just can't be
No, you had
divisive
two.
and opinionated.
That's yeah. No, you had a
It can be divisive and opinionated. Talk about whatever you want, but we don't want to hear your opinion. I didn't set this up for you to have a stage.
That's your stage.
Set it up for my stage. Yeah, exactly. That's the way to do it.
There are some people, every group, every time we talk together, silence isn't
Well, then I have to do it, Macha. Do it, Macha.
Walk that way,
Go.
walk that way.
Do it, Macha.
Did he get you? No.
It was like a little tip.
Do it.
Just hold it
She
in.
keeps stopping.
Fucking hold it in.
Oh, the swamp's about to get rowdy.
The dirty bubbles here.
The dirty bubble.
Yeah.
They're that trail angels. I'm sorry, I had to pee. I was about to pee. Well,
Okay,
some of
everybody
us
this
are more
way. Okay.
It's like that family reunion when you're trying to get all the kids to smile at the same time.
I think I had it on.
Okay.
Here, will you take an individual for me?
It'll move when you hold it.
That's cool. I'm gonna be playing with my phone now.
I think I've got
Yeah.
like 150,000 photos.
Yeah, I know. We're all gonna die and nobody's ever gonna see shit after that. The gator's like right there. So here I am at the New Testament Baptist Church in Clewiston, Florida, which is a hiker-friendly church off of the Florida Trail. And I heard about it. I didn't stop in here last year, so I was like, I have to stop in here this year. And I met Pastor Payne, and they are wonderful. They will allow hikers to tent camp in the back. There are showers, a kitchen, food. All of our leftover food from the Kickoff has been brought here. There's laundry. You can stop in and camp for the night, or you can also just stop in and take a shower and go back out on trail if you'd like. And I thought that I would give you, I'm actually going to stay here tonight. And I just had an amazing shower. That's one I've had in a few days now. I'm just going to give you a tour of everything they have here for the hikers that are coming up from the Florida Trail. All right, let's go take a look. Okay, so this is what it'll look like when you come from the road. If you don't see anybody right away, best thing to do is to just walk in between the buildings. And just go right here in between this, on this little walkway. And the pavilion is kind of your destination. And you can camp anywhere around, behind, in front of, to the side of the pavilion. Here's me for the night. Someone in the shower in here?
Yeah, I think there's.
laundry soap. That's all right. Add you in. There's another shower in here. Here's another shower house, the other side of the shower house from the laundry that was just built for, so we have another shower in here.
It was too cold, wasn't
Oh,
it?
that's right.
Yeah, the night before it was cold, but they were still horrible right at like 6, 7 o'clock, right after dark. Yeah.